Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Navada. I myself, Repti Raman, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Students, today I shall discuss with you chapter 1 integer. In this chapter, discuss a multiplication of integers. The product of two integers is always integers. So example 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Next 5 multiply 6. Plus into minus minus. So 5 6 are minus 30. Next minus 5 into 6. Minus into plus equal to minus. 5 6 are 30. And minus 5 into minus 6. Multiply first of all sign to sign. So minus into minus plus. 5 6 are 30. Students, remember it. Sign plus into plus equal to plus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus, and minus into minus equal to plus. Now properties of integers. Properties. First property is closure property. In this property, the product of two integers is always an integer. So first property is closure property. Here suppose a is integer. Here important thing, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, and minus into minus plus. In property, first property is closure property. So in closure property, a into b, a and b are two integers. So a into b equal to an integer. An integer. Second property, commutative law. If a and b are two integers, so a into b equal to b into a. Third property is associative law. In this law, a into b into c equal to a into b into c. Associative law, इसमें पहले a out of bracket है, and after equal to a is in the bracket and c is the out of bracket. c इधर ब्रैकेट के अंदर है, लेकिन उस तरफ जाने पे c ब्रैकेट के बाहर हो जाता है. इट इज कॉल्ड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव लॉ. फोर्थ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Fifth line, existence of multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplicative identity. The one is called the multiplicative identity. One is called the multiplicative identity. So a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. And last property is property number 6, existence of multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a equal to 1 by a, and the multiplicative inverse of 1 by a equal to a. a का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 by a होता है और 1 by a का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स a होता है, and the product of an integer and its multiplicative inverse is always 1. So a into 1 by a equal to 1 by a into a equal to 1. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1b of chapter 1 integers. One question, question number 2 is written here. Find the product. Find the products. 1. 3 into 4 into minus 5. 3 into 4 into minus 5. So plus first of all multiply sign. सबसे पहले हम साइन को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस. सो माइनस 3 4 जा 12 and 12 5 जा 60. So 60 is answer of this question. Next question, question number 5. 7 into minus 8 into 3. Sign plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. Three eight जा 24, 24 7 जा 168. Answer. Here find the products. minus 4 into minus 5 minus 8 into minus 10. सबसे पहले मल्टीप्लाई इसका साइन क्या करना चाहिए, तो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. 4 5 जा 20, 28 जा 160, 160 10 जा 1600. Answer. Here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Dot 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 6 times. Minus 3 यहाँ पे इवन टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हुआ. One another thing also, इसको भी याद रखना है. Minus 1 to the power even number equal to 1 and minus 1 to the power or positive number. So value of minus 1 is minus 1. So 6 even number. So sign minus into minus into minus into minus 6 times. So plus 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Another 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 into 27 729. Answer of this question. So students, understand and write it. Students, next question of exercise 1b is question number 6. Simplify. In this question, question number 1 of 6, minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. So solve this question. Minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. Here minus 8 is common. यहाँ पे minus 8 common है, दोनों साइड है. Minus 8 into 9 and minus 8 into 7. So minus 8 taken common. Minus 8 common ले लिया. Minus 8 तो माइनस 8 कॉमन होने पे इधर क्या बचा, 9 प्लस 7 इक्वल टू minus 8 into 9 plus 7, add it 16. Minus into plus minus 16 8 जा 128 answer of this question. Here also minus question number 5, minus 11 into minus 15 plus minus 11 into minus 25. यहाँ भी minus 11 कॉमन है दोनों साइड. So minus 11 is common. Minus 11 common, remaining minus 15 plus into minus minus 25. Now next step, minus 11 into minus 15 minus 25. Minus 15 minus 25. We have like sign. So add 15 plus 25, 40. And sign of both number have minus. So the sign of result is minus 40. Minus 15 and minus 25 minus 14. Minus 15 और minus 25 ऐड करने पे minus 40 आता है. So multiply minus into minus plus 11 4 जा 44 and 0 440 is answer. Now two question are here. Question number 7, fill in the blanks. Minus 6 into fill place equal to 6, and question number 6 is minus 5 into fill place equal to 0. हम minus 6 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर दें कि रिजल्ट 6 आ जाए. So minus 6 change into 6, so multiply it by minus 1. Minus into minus plus 6 into 1 6, so 6 1 जा 6. Here minus 5 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए, क्या किया जाए कि 0 हो जाए. तो कोई भी नंबर को अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो 0 होता है. तो minus 5 into 0 equal to 0. Students, understand and write it. My dear students, today your homework is solve exercise 1B. Thank you. That's all.